When I got started in baking as a young person, I was really inspired by the women in my family who did a lot of baking, like my mother and my father's mom. But as I've gotten older, I'm really inspired by other chefs. I'm inspired by people who are changing not only food in our industry, but are helping to change the hospitality industry and make changes for the better in terms of social justice and advocacy. I love baking with my team at Goldenrod. I have 4 other bakers, and when we all get to bake together in our tiny little kitchen at Goldenrod, I love the sense of flow that everybody gets in the kitchen. When we're all seamlessly moving around each other, it becomes almost like a dance, and baking with them when everybody's there, especially around the holidays when we have so many projects, is my favorite time to bake. I would love to have Jacques Pepin over for lunch, and I would make him probably a really great chicken vegetable soup and have some really great crusty bread. My favorite cooking show ever was Two Fat Ladies. They are so funny. I love to still watch reruns of that show. Their humor definitely stands the test of time. My go-to karaoke song is Torn by Natalie Imbruglia.
Sorry, I had to take that
in. She still is happy at throwing concerts. She's still touring. She's just singing that over and over and over again. Buns, buns, buns. My last meal would be dumplings from all around the world. I love dumplings, and I would love to have soup dumplings, Polish pierogi. I would love to just have dumplings from everywhere, a whole buffet of dumplings. I love to make birthday cakes. It's my favorite thing to bake for people. It doesn't matter what kind, what it is, but if I can make somebody a birthday cake and really make their day special, that's my favorite thing to do. My must-have kitchen tools are definitely a wide array of whisks. I love whisks, they're my thing. I like to have a wide selection that I can choose from depending on how I'm feeling that day. For young chefs who are getting into the food industry, I think the most important thing is to stay very productive, stay very focused on the goals that you have for yourself. It's the same as any industry. Be honest, show up on time, work really hard, and don't forget what's important to you.